and welcome to the SK Inaon Basketball League, the final side. At this moment, parinig naman po ng mga fans ng Team Centro Baller. Papatalo ba ang kupunan ng defending champion, Team Dreamer? At sa punto pong ito, Barangay Inaon, bata naman po ang magpapakitang gilas. Starting off, please all welcome the players of Team starting off with jersey number 4, playing point guard, ang binagsagang small but terrible ng sentro, Mr. Clark Nazar. With jersey number 8, playing power forward, ang patubol ni Eddie Boy, John Eric Rodriguez. Jersey number 77, playing shooting guard, ang pahinog ni Aten RR, Mr. Mark Cruz.
Best player ni Coach. Nakay mo.
Kapit na! Please all welcome wearing jersey number 12, playing center, ang patubo ni Tata Debong, John Michael Dela Peña. Jersey number 16, playing forward, ang Mr. Prince ng Kupunan, Edward Lorenzo. Guard, ang simple gunner, Mr. Joshua De Guzman.
Kala ko hardcore.
Second to the last, we have jersey number 3, playing shooting guard, the Mr. Perimeter, Alice Rivera. To complete the players of Team Centro, playing a point guard or power forward, wearing jersey number 26, ang binansagang, ang batang mama ng Centro, Mr. God Dexter Lizano. Jersey number 24, playing point guard, ang pakawalan ni Amang Boy, Mr. Renan Sandon. Wearing jersey number 6, playing center forward, ang pakawalan ni Antino, Mr. Joshua Centeno. And to complete the players of Team Dreamers, the defending champion, jersey number 12, playing shooting guard, ang pakawalan ni Boston, Nico Tobias. And of course, the head coach, none other than Coach Rance Garcia, together with the team manager, Mr. Rico Bamba.
Game. Ah, sorry. Oh, tutukan oh. Tutukan tayo oh. Pipitik si Kuya, pipitik. Anong page yan, Kuya?
Alright, may nag-text po sa akin. Hindi ko po alam kung sino. Ang sabi po niya, pustahan daw tayo kung siya Eman, kung kanino kang team. Kung sino matalo, magpapasyo mo yung first team. Okay ba sa inyo?
Kung sino ba ang manalo? Hindi. Dahil kabataan ng bida, bakit hindi natin gawin na kung sino ang manalo at kung sino ang matalo, merong show may rice. Diba? Oo.
Parang ang fair yata doon sa mananalo. Kung sino yung mananalo, walang show may rice.
And then para sa akin, don't put a pressure on their shoulders. Sa akin, okay na ako, both teams, pledge ko yung show may rice.
So, ibig sabihin, tayong dalawa shoulder nun. Okay. Para sa inyo, kapito, handog namin sa inyo. Namin ikaw sa Eman. At sa inyo, mga kabataan. Parehong team, sagot namin ang show may rice ninyo ngayong gabi. Okay ba sa inyo yan?
Bibihis muna ako sa sentro. Nakaka...
Bigyan lang muna ng show may rice.
Thank you, Kuya.
To both teams, ang dalawa rin.
Sige, sa kayo, Kuya. Kalumpit.
Parang George!
Basketball lang di pinipitikan nyo.
Minsan volleyball.
Basta!
So ba coach?
Nang? Si Coach Je. Coach ng lahat. Dito ka nga, para mamaya may tigawak ako.
Ay, dami ko hawak.
Ano? Bubulsa ko.
Di akin yun.
Kaya
Sa kakampi ni Maki.
Kay?
Sa kakampi ni Maki.
Kay Nino nga.
Hindi ko nga nakalimutan ko nga. Kaya nga mamaya tatanong ni Maki.
Baka ka muna, bubulsa ko rin. Tapat mo ha. Hindi papatay na, ikaw papatay ko. Nasa akin kami yung cellphone nila. Ano, tatabigay pera mo. Tara ako maglalaro. Tara.
Init ah.
Alright, muli po yan. Both teams ay may pledge po kayo ng
Hindi ka nagpailaw.
show may rice. Sabi po sa
Ganda
akin,
ng tindig eh.
Kagawad, Bobet, Kaliliw at ang patang dino ng Marlina.
Kay Nino ba yun?
Ang mga tigis
Kay Nino yun?
lang po. Alam na po tayong warning.
Guys, excuse me, doon kayo sa dulo. Bisa nyo. Kami nagtatrabaho kami.
Alright, sino kaya ang unang makakagulit para sa ating Best of the Game Series? Let us all find out.
Game ate yan.
Centeno and De La Peña ang pakawalan ni Antinora at ni Tata Temo. First ball by jersey number 2, Nogid. Tapikan, rebound by De La Peña. Pakawala ni Tata Tebong on the goal and steal by jersey number 7 to jersey number 24, Santos. Spinning move. And jumper, wala. Rebound by Rivera. And pass to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 4, Nazar. Sa gilid, aatake to Guzman. 2 puntos.
Dale! Dale!
And jersey number 24. Number 24, looking for a friend to jersey number 4. Tobias, ang pangawala ni Boss Burn. 2 puntos. Magandang gabi po kay Kumaring Tese Tobias.
Open o!
Bagong ulot eh. And jersey number 12, De La Peña to number 26, Lizano sa gilid, nag-aabang-abot. And out of bounds. 6-second shot clock.
Dale! Oy, yung pwesto! Yan! Dali!
And jersey number 6, Centeno. To jersey number 24, Court General. 2 puntos. Easy lang daw, sabi sa Gendy.
Kasi ano naman, naalala ko kapag nakakapa sa basketball.
And good! No, din. Tapikan, mangingibawa number 18. Jersey number 18 looking for a friend to jersey number 7. Ang patubo ni Lolo Goday. To number 24, Santos. Aatake, Blacadon. Sangkalusot. And jersey number 24, looking for a brand. And jersey number 7, and out of bounds. 8 minutes and 6. Jersey number 3, Rivera. Fire of 3, no good, Tapikan. And rebound by Centeno. To jersey number 7, to jersey number 24, the Court General. Atake. And still the jersey number 4, Nazar. Pressing the ball, pass to Lizano. Atake. Dos puntos. Deadlock on 4. And lifting violation. Carrying the ball without permission. Alright. Violation po tayo. Bola sa sentro. Inbound by Lizano. Ang patubo ni Tata Tebong De La Peña to Lizano. Jersey number 24. Ang atake ni jersey number 12. De La Peña. There's a foul. Committed by jersey number 7. Ama, where's personal foul? Personal by jersey number 12. De La Peña. No good. Second row is good. Change favor lamang na po ang kupunan ng sentro and jersey number 7. Looking for jersey number 4. Toby Diaz. Ang patungo ni Boss Third Santos. Four! Bang! 3! And jersey number 26. Pass.
Nice one.
Push foul committed by jersey number 24. First personal foul. Second team foul. And De La Peña totrosohin.
Offensive.
Offensive foul. Jersey number 12.
Bawi na.
And jersey number 24, pass to jersey number 4, Tobias, down the letter. Number 4, looking for a brand, jersey number 7, Ama, nag-aabang Santos, fire, short, rebound by Nazar, pass to jersey number 26, Lizano on the go, number 26, traveling by Rodriguez.
Bawi.
And jersey number 24, Santos aatake, wala tapigan. 6 minutes and 24 seconds. And jersey number 4 to jersey number 6, 24, fire 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 26 on the goal. Lizano being harassed by jersey number 4. Lizano to Nazar and shield jersey number 4, Tobias. Atake jersey number 4, Dos Puntos. 9-5.
Clark, huwag niyo masyado malalim masyado.
And jersey number 3 on the go jumper. Nice shot by Rivera.
Huwag kang malalim. Palubong oh!
And jersey number 7, Ama. There is a foul committed by jersey number 12. Second personal foul, jersey number 12. First throw by jersey number 7, JB Ama.
Si Epal. Tumagulo.
No good. Second throw.
Mas seryoso.
Number 7, second throw runner. No good. Rebound by jersey number 2, Rivera setting the paint ball. Jersey number 3, fire. No good. Rebound by jersey number 7. Ama ang magtilimon sa jersey number 4, crossing the midcourt and out of bounds.
Awis! Masyadong poor shot. Aris ako.
And jersey number 4, Nazar setting up the ball on the go. Jersey number 4, atake! In and out, rebound by number 24. Jersey number 24 to jersey number 4, Tobias on the go. Wala! Rebound by jersey number 7, pabrakuhin! Wala pa rin! And out of bounds. Yun, magandang po sa team! Gang! Isa pa ng legion.
Mark.
And jersey number 3, Rivera, down the letter. Jersey number 3 on the goal. No, remove by jersey number 4. Jersey number 24 on the goal. Jersey number 24, Santos, aatake. And out of bounds. Substitution there. Sino? Number 8, out and 77.
Dali.
And jersey number 4, Tobias on the letter. Jersey number 4, slow-mo. Nogin, tapping gun. And jersey number, out of bounds. and 1 second. And jersey number 26, Atake no good. Rebound by jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 on the goal, Tobias. And there is a contact, out of bounds. 3 minutes and 44 seconds. Substitution. And jersey number. And a passing foul by jersey number 4. First personal foul. First foul. Substitution rep. Number 4 out. Miko out. Third team foul. And jersey number 3, Rivera on the goal. And gets the set, may kasama pang foul, jersey number 71. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Jassy, bago daw ipamana sa iyo yung Jeep ni Ate, maglinis ka muna daw rin Jeep. And okay, tapikan, may mga jersey number 18 to number 24, Santos. On the goal, number 24, slicing the road! Dos Puton! Magandang gabi po kay SK Nate. And jersey number 9-12, nice shot by Della Penny. And jersey number 71, number 7 rather. And intercept, jersey number 26, Lizano. Nice shot, good for 2. And Coach Frank Garcia called the timeout for the team. Dreamers, lay down 2 minutes and 57 seconds score. 11:13 and Centron takes the lead. Yun, maraming salamat Idol. Yun. Maraming salamat SK Nate. And for sabi ng mga report sa aking kumparing buo, ang ikasampung pisan ni Daniel Padilla, Mr. Robert Padilla. Matutulog ka na lang na nakanguli ka pa. And jersey number 18. And there's one compound, jersey number 77. First person foul. Third team. And jersey number 24, Santos atake. Pasa. Deadlock other team. And jersey number 3, Rivera jumper. Nice shot. Good for 2 by Rivera. And jersey number 7, number 24, spinning move. No good. And jersey number 3, Rivera. Pass to number 77. Dos puntos by Cruz. And number 7 to number 24, Santos on the goal. No good. Rebound by. And jersey number 3 to jersey number 26. Dos puntos. Good. Iyon, magandang mga po kay Mr. Atom and Manny Ignacio. Kabay naman dyan. Jersey number 18 to number 24. Santos ang atake. Wala. Rebound by. And jersey number 26, Lizano off the glass is for 2. And jersey number 18. Number 18 on the goal. Pass to number 6, Centeno. May nakakuha ng foul, jersey number 20. Jersey number 4. Substitution rep. 24 out, Tobias in 1 minute 21 seconds. And jersey number 21 to jersey number 4, Tobias. Tobias on the go to Ama. Nakita sa gilid. Jumper is still the jersey number 18. 1 minute and 5. And jersey number 3, Rivera on the go. No good. Rebound by jersey number 4. Baseball pass to jersey number 7. 2 puntos. 45 seconds. And jersey number 26, Lizano. Big from orange field. And jersey number 4, Tobias. To Centeno. Nice shot. 25 seconds. And jersey number 4 out of bounds, same ball. 40 seconds to play. 12 seconds shot clock. And jersey number 71. Here's shot and jersey number 6, Centeno. Big trouble to number 71. Nice shot by jersey number 71. Talo naman si Des. And the first quarter is score of all 21.
Pag tayo mo, ikaw mawa.
Hindi ako. Hawakan mo na sa
Ano ba?
natin.
Alright, back to the ball game. Maganda yung ball kay Idol CBG and Mr. APO Guzman. Watching sa gameplay. Waiting daw sa magbibigay ng Malboro. And jersey number 3, Rivera. Down the letter to jersey number 26, Lizano. Totrosohen. Nice shot. Good for them.
Kabila ka lang, pre.
And jersey number 24, Santos on the go. And Lorenzo on the go. Pass to jersey number 21. No give. Sa kanya pa rin. May foul ka dyan. Who's foul ram? Jersey number 12. First personal foul. And jersey number 26. Number 26 on the go jumper. And there's a foul committed by jersey number 12. Second personal foul, substitution run. First row. No good. Second row.
Dadalang.
-1.
Sige, sige, sige!
And jersey number 4. Pass jersey number 7, 1. Jersey number 24 with isolation. Santos on the goal. 5. Bang bang. 3. Deadlock all 24. And Lizano.
Dali, kulang!
And jersey number 3. And jersey number 24 ang magtitimo at jersey number 6 and Demo gets the basket. May kasama pang foul. Number 28. Sorry. First personal foul. First team. Bonus throw by Centeno. Nice one. And jersey number 26, Lizano on the letter. 5. No good. And rebound by jersey number 71 to the director, number 24 with a crossover atake. But there's a blocking foul committed by jersey number 8. Substitution rep, 16 out. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Tegalisha in. Maganda rin po kay paring Ang Coronel. And jersey number 4. Nasobrahan sa condition niyo. 5. No good. Rebound by. And jersey number 3 to jersey number 8 on the goal. Nice shot. Good for two. And number 24, Santos. And on the side, Centeno. In and out. And number 18, pass to jersey number 26. Is sealed by jersey number 24. Number 24, B. Robon sa kapumunta to number 4, Cabillas. Aatake. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Pass to number 26. Bilakadon Idol. And jersey number 15 to number 4. Nice shot. And third shot for the team. Sandro. 1 minute, 11 seconds, score 26-29, still on the lead. The defending champion, the winner. Back to the whole game. Tignan din ang mga index. Saving na. And jersey number. Nice shot by jersey number 3, Rivera. And jersey number 4, Fabians. Atake jersey number 4. Wala, tapikan. Rebound by number 26, Lizano on the go. Raragasa and number 3, Yusuf Daglas.
Joshua!
And Coach Ron Garcia for the timeout for the
Sabi mo
team.
lang hawakan mo.
Lemurs, screen time.
Oy!
6 minutes and 43 seconds to score. 29-30. In favor of Sandro. Mr. Jonathan Real na waiting lang sa gate. Back-row game.
Huwag mo palapitin sa ring.
Wala na pong time out ang River. And of course, ang viewing sa tita ng barangay, Tita Mado. Patingin nga ng isang question. Iyon. And jersey number 24. Number 24 on the go. Atake jersey number 24, wala. And rebound by jersey number 7 is still Rivera to jersey number Bilang. Saan ka pupunta yun? Six minutes and 24 seconds. And jersey number. Looking for a friend to number 8. Jersey number 8. And there's a foul number 15. Substitution. 15 out. First personal foul. Third team foul. And jersey number 3 puts it off. Bang bang! 3.
Nice one, Joshua.
And jersey number 26. Nugget. Rebound by number 24. Jersey number 24. And there's a foul committed by jersey number 2.
Igahawak ito na ano.
First personal foul. Third.
Second personal. First personal. Third.
And jersey number 4. Jersey number 6 and 10. Oh! Nugget. Rebound by number 18. Nice shot. Good for two. Balik sa dalawang kalamangan ng may tangan ng bola. And jersey number 3, jumper, wala, tapigan, rebound by number 18, Mendoza looking for a friend, jersey number 4, down the ladder to Centeno, traveling violation. Magandang gabi po kay Idol Angelo Hasino. And jersey number. Atake de la Peña off the glass. 2 puntos.
Ano ba, Ari?
And jersey number 24. Number 24.
Ate. Atin pa rin.
And out of bounds. 5 minutes and 7 seconds. And jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 on the goal. Jersey number 24, Mr. Santos on the goal. Nawala ang bola. Sa kanya pa rin. 5 second shot clock. And 4. Nugget. Rebound by Rivera. Atake jersey number 3. 5. Nugget. Tapikan. Bola mapupunta sa kapunan ng team Dreamers.
Owa.
And jersey number 4, Tobias on the goal. Being harassed, jersey number 4. Nag-aabang Centeno. Lulusob. Wala. Rebound by De La Peña. Tolenzano on the goal. Jersey number 26. And foul, jersey number 24. Second personal foul. Samsusunan. Number 26. Nice one. Second goal. Magandang po kay Boss Fern. Yeah. Second goal. No good. And jersey number 6 and down for the rebound. Pass jersey number 7. Alma on the goal. Jersey number 7. Gets the set. May kasamang foul. Jersey number. Sorry. 12. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Both teams are warning for penalty. First throw by JD Ama.
Ilan siya na ba? Dalawa?
No lead. Well, no lead. Rebound by. And jersey number 71 to jersey number 24. Santos. And jersey number 24. And jersey number 5 second shot clock. Jersey number 6. And there is also foul jersey number 2. Second person foul substitution rep. Penalty situation. And number 6. No good. Second row.
Pressure lang tayo.
No good. Bola mamupulot ni Rivera Tulizano. Jersey number 26, Lizano, 70 ball. And jersey number 26. And ball, no good. 3 minutes and 6 seconds. And jersey number 7, atake. Nice shot, good for you. Two minutes and 50. Jersey number 26, Rivera. Jersey number 3, Lace, wala. Remove number 18. Pass to Ama. Number 7. And there's a foul committed by jersey number 9. Substitution. Number 9, first personal foul. Penalty situation.
Ano, ganda, mabigat mo.
Number 7.
Tumalikot.
Nice one. Second row.
Hindi reply no. Para lamang.
Pares lamang. Ay, lamang may kalaban.
Logi. And jersey number 4.
Ay, sila
Jersey number 4, 7, table to number 77. Atake. But there's a contact foul. Jersey number 23. Hacking foul. First personal foul. Both teams are in penalty. Last 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Nice one. Second row.
Clark.
And jersey number 7, Ama on the go. In and out, tapikan, makukuha ni jersey number 4, Nazar, on the running position. Jersey number, and the hit. Rebound by. Kicking the ball. Reset shot.
Babawi yan, babawi. Sakit.
Ano, pasado mo na.
And jersey number 2 is late. And number 26, There's a foul committed by jersey number 23. Second personal foul, penalty shoot. Samret. One minute and 57 seconds. Nice one. Second row. Nice one again. 1 minute and 55 seconds.
Sunod, Clark!
And jersey number 4 on the goal. Jersey number 24. Wala. Tabigan. And jersey number.
Likod ah!
Jersey number 26 to number 77. Number 77 on the goal looking for a friend. And jersey number 26, Logan, rebound by. And jersey number 4, Tobias. Wala pa rin. De La Peña to Nazar. And jersey number 4, Nazar. 10-second shot clock. And number 12, De La Peña. Wala pa rin. And rebound by jersey number 7 to jersey number 4. Gandang pasa nun, idol. Last 50 seconds. And jersey number 26. Number 26 on the goal. Number 26 ni Zano aatake. And De La Peña, totrosohin. In and out, rebound by number 28 seconds to play. And jersey number 24. Pass to number 4, Tobias. And sa kanya pa rin. Jersey number 4, jumper, wala. And number 21, Nugget.
Oras, dali!
10 seconds.
10 seconds!
5 seconds. 1 second to play. And of the third quarter, we score of 38-39, 1-point lead by Team Central.
Hoy, tatay!
Iyon, magandang report sa Diyos sa Inaon, Miss Jopay Manilo.
Ang score po natin ay 38-39. Lamang po ng isang ako na.
Uy!
Mukha yun.
All right, back to the ball game.
Tahinga.
And entering the third quarter. And jersey number, and out of bounds.
Oh, last touch ka ba? Last touch ka.
Number 4, push foul. Second personal foul.
Clark! Clark! Tingnan mo, tingnan mo Igyo.
Ayun, shuttle po kay Bert. And jersey number. Jersey number 28, number 3. Jumper in in and out. Bola. Jersey number 7, Ama on the goal. And jersey number 7, looking for a friend to number 24, Totobias. Jersey number 4 on the goal, Atake. And no give. Rebound by.
Dali, dali. Away.
And jersey number 3. No give. Jump ball.
Guard. Dali, dali.
And there's number 4, Nazar Atake. And on the side, in and out, nice. Sitting by number 6, Lizano. And jersey number, there's a ball committed by jersey number 18. Where's jersey number ball? And jersey number 16, by Nugget. Rebound by. And jersey number 20. Nice shot, good for two. By number 26.
Salubong!
And there's a contact ball, jersey number 18. Substitute run. Number 16 out. Second personal ball. Second team foul. Sabran.
Ayaw sumalubong eh.
And jersey number 7, Amato Santos and Tobias. Nugget, sa kanya pa rin. Wala pa rin. Nice shot, good for two. And jersey number 3, Paul. Nugget. Rebound by number 18. And still number 4, Nazar. And jersey number. And Paul. Nugget. Jersey number 7 on the goal, Ama. Bumiling. Nice shot. Good for two. And jersey number 26, Lizano. Set the table. Number 26, Sagilid. And jersey number 4. And shield the jersey number 24, Santos. Crossing the midcourt, jersey number 24, Atake. And gets the basket. Down lang pala sa huli. Ha? Basket is good. Foul jersey number 4. Basket count. What? Number 2 pala sa huli. Third personal foul. Bonus throw by number 1. No good. Rebound by jersey number 4.
JM, okay ka, JM.
And jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, Atake and ball. No good. And jersey number 18 to number 24. Jersey number 24 to jersey number 4, Tobias. Shot clock down to 10. Nice shot, good for two by Tobias. And jersey number 26, Lizano. Ang may tangan ng bola. Sa gilid, jersey number 3 to number 26. No good. Rebound by jersey number 4. Jersey number 24, Santos. Number 24 to Tobias sa gilid, Mendoza. And Tobias being troubled. And for the recovery, Paul. No good. And number 6, nice shot. Ang patubo ni Antino. Mr. Centeno. And jersey number 3 to jersey number 26. And number 26 ang atake. Dos puntos. And jersey number 24, Santos, taking his mark, setting the table. And jersey number 4, Tobias. Nice shot, good for two. 50-45.
Babalikan mo.
And jersey number 3, setting the table. Nugget, Riverway number 4. And jersey number. Jersey number 24, with spinning move. Dos puntos. And timeout, Team Sandro. Remaining 45-52 still. The Rivers takes the lead. Back to the ball game.
Kanina yan sa'yo?
Ewan ko.
Coach. Saan?
Kanina ba lang ako ba?
Okay, bawal. Nako naman.
And jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 is at gilid. And jersey number 4. And seal by Ama Yasor. Bench lang ng Dreamers, patuloy. At jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, atake. At jersey number 3 to number 26. On the goal, nice shot by Lizano. And jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 on the goal. No good. And jersey number 26, jumper, is good. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan ng may tangan ng bola. Jersey number 7 to number 4. Jersey number 4, Tobias. And 5, no good. Wala pa rin, rebound by De La Peña. Pass to Lizano. Jersey number 26, atake, and jumper, Nugget, Lizano. And by Nugget again. Rebound by jersey number 4. And jersey number 4, Tobias, Nugget. And Nazar on the goal, jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number. And number 3, yes sir. Timeout, the Rivers for the last 2 minutes and 47 seconds. The score, 7-1. 51-54. 3 puntos para sa punan ng Dreamer. Sir Alan Bayan mapagmahal.
Bilig talong kung kay Ninoy, sabihin mo kay Mati.
Alright, bago na mo, game.
Pero mo ako, Joshua. Wait lang, hawakan mo na.
Ay, kanina, nakikinom eh. Oh, ano pa? Oh.
Tingnan.
And of course, we're gonna report kay Mr. RDZ Raymond de la Cruz.
Yeah, kahit kay Ninoy, inumin mo.
Wala naman kayo sigat sabi ni RDZ.
Kay Mati ka mo, pag may nagtanong.
And jersey number 7. Malborong pula daw. And jersey number 7. Point, second shot clock. Line violation. 2 minutes and 24 seconds. And jersey number 4.
Tabang.
Yan, nagreklamo ka pa, ganyan mo.
Pass to jersey number 26. Number 26, setting the table, Mr. Lezano. Pass to jersey number 3. Perimeter shot, in and out, remember number 12. Pass to jersey number 24. To jersey number 7. And there's the ball committed by jersey number 77. 7 personal foul. Warning for penalty. And jersey number 24. Number 24, fire. Naging tapikan. Rebound by jersey number 4. Nasar on the goal. Jersey number 4, setting the ball. Looking for jersey number 26. Got Dexter Lizano. Jumper. Nugget. And jersey number 21, Yunani traveling violation. 1 minute and 26 seconds.
Sige dito ako sa tama. Dito ako sa amin.
Lapit naman ka.
Ha?
Lapit ka lang.
Akin na dito. Pinsan.
And jersey number 3, Rivera.
Malapit lang kayo.
Setting the
Hindi mo ka
ball.
mag-anak.
Jersey number 3, with a crossover. Nakita Telefenia. But there's a ball committed by jersey number 18. First personal foul. Second team foul. Unang pagbubusto by jersey number 12. Ang pakawalan ni Tata Devon. No good. Parang hindi chichis sa pamilya. Ano pa yan? Nice one. Kulang siya yung pamilya. And jersey number 7. Mahina ang siya yung pamilya. Jersey number 7, atake! And nagtapikan! Makukuha ni jersey number 12. Patrasuhin! Number 12. Nugget. Rebound by jersey number 12. Ang patubo ni Tata Debong to Mr. GBL Cat Dexter Lezano of the Milas. Parang Renz, bench lang po. Parang Renz. And jersey number 24, Santos. Santos on the go, makakalusot. Nugget, tapikan, mangingibabaw, number 26, Lizano, to jersey number 3, and jersey number 3, Rivera. Nugget. 3 seconds. And of the third quarter, we score on 50 24.
May kapatid ba si Aris?
Oh.
Third position ball goes number 4. Third position ball goes number 77. All right, jersey number 26, Mr. Lizano. Team draw ball, jersey number 7, attacking Amado Centeno. No give. And there's a foul committed by jersey number 7, 8, sorry. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Substitute red. First throw by jersey number 4. Second row.
Dami.
Coach check in the players mo. Yung nailawan. And jersey number 4. Panglabing sa kanya. And shot clock down to Lauren. Nice shot. 58-56. And jersey number 24. Number 24 on the goal, Mr. Santos, the court general. No good. And nice shot by jersey number 18. And jersey number 26. Number 26 setting the table. Number 26 on the go, atake and gets the basket. Micah sama pang foul. Jersey number 17, 18 rather. Number 18 on his second personal foul. Second team foul. 3-point play opportunity by jersey number 26, Mr. GBL Nugget. And jersey number. And nice shot, 3-4-2. 58-62, talaan ng puntos. And of course, jersey number 3, gilid. Jersey number 3. Dancing on the floor, 5 seconds at lang, but 3 seconds violation. Magandang gabi po kay Idol ko at kay Idol ako. Tirahin si Mami. And jersey number 4, Tobias ang magtitimon. Dancing on the floor, being harassed. Papasok sa loob, pinali, wala. Rebound by jersey number 6, Centeno. On the go, jersey number 24, the court general. Nice shot. And number 26, jersey number 26 on the go. Pass to jersey number 3 and 5. Nugget. And jersey number 24, Sagied. Jersey number 4, Tobias. Pass to jersey number 24. And number 24 on the go, 5 second shot. And Centeno, 5. Nugget. And jersey number 4, Nazar. Unani. Sabran.
Joshua! Balik kayo ni Clark eh. May iiwan ka.
And jersey number 4, Tobias. The jersey number 7. Number 7, Ama looking for a brand. The number 24, pass to jersey number 7. And jersey number 7, Ama. Offensive foul. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Walang pilit na tira, Aris.
And jersey number 26, Lizana Nazar. And jersey number 26 on the go. 10 seconds to shoot. And Nazar to number 26, 5. Bang, bang. 3. And jersey number 7. And jersey number 4, Tobias. Nice shot, good for you. And jersey number 3, Rivera to Lizano. Atake. Wala. And jersey number 3, Rivera. Rivera on the go. In and out. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 7. And timeout team Central. Remaining time 5 minutes and 10 seconds to score. 61-66. 5 puntos para sa pupunan ng Rivers. Isa na po ang timeout ng Central. Dalawang puntos. Alright, ayan, para na lang po sa magkabilang mga kupunan. Iyon, meron po tayong pledge. Galing po sa inyo kapag nag-iipon sa batang leader ng barangay naon. Elman Bisman at kay Kagawad Bobet Kaliliw ay meron po free siomay rice sa magkabilang kupunan, players, and their coach. Yun, para po maganda ang gantian. Sa akin lang po yung sa sentro, kaya dyan mo na po yung sa Dreamers. Lahat naman po ay magkakaroon. Ayan na, tsaka nasumusugak pa yung kanin ni Paring Lord at Maring Johan. And goes to number 3, to number 12, Atake Nogin. And jersey number. And there's a foul committed by jersey number 26. First personal 30 pa. No good. Second row.
Sure, ay napapanot na.
And number 7, Alma.
Ayan, pre, mahaba pa oras. Goal.
And the runner by the substitute.
Depensa nyo!
And jersey number 4. Foul jersey number 4. Warning for this qualification or foul out jersey number 4. Warning for penalty. Warning for the game.
Okay na. Para matapos na.
And jersey number 26. Number 26, atake block. And jersey number 3. Number 3, Rivera. Puso ang ilalaban. Nice shot. Good for 2 by jersey number 3.
Nice one, Mati!
Nasaan Mati? Mati! Mati!
And jersey number 18. Pass to number 6, Centeno. Centeno on the goal to number 18. And jersey number 15, Nugget Tapikan. And jersey number 26. Nice shot. Good for 2. And timeout.
Dalawa.
Score 65-67.
Nice one.
2 points lead by the team. Dreamers.
Dalawa na lang.
Bukas po ay patuloy po tayong magsama-sama at maging konektado sapagkat atin na pong patuloy na bubuksan ang Game 1 para sa Senior at Junior Division, the finals night. Game 1 para sa ating best of 3 game series. Hatid pa rin sa inyo ng ating isang kunyang kabataan ngayon, headed by SK Angela D. Cruz. At ang magpapagaling sa inyo ng kanyang naman ng gabi, ang patang mo ng kanyang naman, Emma Bogosman o Benzipan. Jersey number 4! Grabe! Parang bird. Aray ko. And that's number 26. Number 26 on the baseline. Ang patubo ni Tata Tebong. Traveling violation. Three. And jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 on the goal. Looking for a friend. And jersey number 6, 5. Nogi, nice! Yan! By Centeno.
Mahaba pa yun.
And jersey number 26. Number 26 on the goal. Looking for a friend. And jersey number. And still number 24 to number 7. Nice shot. Good for two. And jersey number 3. And there's a foul coming in by jersey number 24. Number 24! Third personal foul. Penalty na. No good. 7 points lead ang kalamangan ng Dreamers. Basket count ball jersey number 9. Some rep. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Ina mo, mute. On camera, mga mo.
And jersey number 24. Number 24 Santos. Setting the table. Jersey number 24 and fire. Bang bang 3. Nice. And seal. And jersey number 3. One minute and 49 seconds. Sampung puntos. Siyam na puntos, rather. And jersey number 12, Totoro Sohen. Nice shot, good for two. And jersey number. And jersey number 18. And fire. Bang! 3. Technical. Ang timeout. Ano ba? Ano yun? Technical foul entering the court. Timeout. Centro, 1 minute and 22 seconds score.
Wala lang si Mandela ng tumao.
67-78. Aagahan bukas ang gising sapagkat may pasok na. One minute and
Wawa. Alas 5, gising ko.
Sayang. Tangin, dalawa na lang.
no good. 14.
Bawi na. Bawi sa court. Ayaw pa rin. Hapa-hapa pa rin.
1 minute and 22 seconds. And jersey number 26. No good. Tapikan, jersey number 26 on the goal. And number 26. And number 77. No good. Tapikan. Nice shot. Good for two. 54 seconds.
Uy, lifting!
52 seconds. And jersey number 3. Logged. Rebound by number 24. 40 seconds. And number 15. And number 24, 5. Bang! 3. And number 26 is Sano. Nice shot, 20 seconds. Foul number 3. 19 seconds. Okay, sa nanalo po niya, pag-picture po sa players. Kasama ng coach. Yun.
Mag-usap tayo, walang aalis ha. Hoy, isa pa, isa!
Nice. And fire. Login. Alright, yung bola po, pasuyo. Picture po sa team sentro. Team Dreamers, sorry. Team Dreamers. Yung team sentro po, players, tumambay na po kayo doon sa Sumay Pine Bar at mga meron po na
Asan yung ano? Gatorade.
Inubos na.
Thank you, Ari.